everyone, welcome to my channel VIDYA'S Ideas. If you're new here, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon to receive all the new updates. Every new year, I used to have a few New Year resolutions. Last year, my resolutions were to stay active as much as possible and to lose weight, to increase my stamina and feel healthier. I have been pretty successful to keep up with my New Year resolution till the end of this year. However, this New Year, I want to try something new. I want to make a vision board so that I am able to manifest my dreams and visions into reality. And it's not something that happens overnight. I am aware that for success with manifestation, I have to set my intentions and beliefs that it will become a reality and then take active steps towards making that abstract idea accomplished. Hence, a vision board is a great tool for me to stay focused throughout my journey. But what exactly is a vision board? In simple language, it's a visual representation of all your goals and dreams. What should be the purpose of my vision board? I want my vision board to be something which constantly reminds me of my goals and dreams, even when I feel off track at some point. I want it to be my source of immense motivation when I feel discouraged. It should be able to help me remind what I want to do, be and have, and both consciously and unconsciously help me move towards those things. What I expect from my vision board? I'm not expecting all my goals and dreams to be fulfilled by the end of this year. However, I am aware that the act of making a vision board will help me identify and clarify my goals, dreams, and intentions, which will further help me lay my foundations or major milestones towards my goals. What steps are involved in making a vision board? Vision board could be digital that can be placed as your mobile wallpaper or desktop wallpaper. It can also be a collage of different visuals which are meaningful to you and just you, somewhere in your home that you are regularly going to look at.
Let's make my first vision board. Things required to make my vision board: foam chart, scissors, double-sided tape, and the most important thing, relevant images. You can collect your images from newspaper cutouts, magazine cutouts, or Google Images. I use Pinterest app to select a few images which I find meaningful for manifesting my visions. You really have to be careful to be in the right mindset to choose the images for your vision board. Selecting the right images is a process and it is okay to take your time to do the same. When you choose your images, avoid choosing something which has a lot of written stuff like these. Instead, select images that are pleasing to you and have a close resemblance to your visions. Now, it's time to cut the images. Ensure to cut them neatly. Once you select your images, resize them to different sizes based on your primary goals and print them out. It would be great if you could color print them. The next main step is to arrange them on your display board. As you arrange your images, don't hesitate to play around to figure out a suitable layout for your vision board. If you look at this image, I had enlarged it and plan to keep it at the center as this year I want to focus a lot on healthy eating habits. Also, I am going to keep aside all the images that have a lot of written stuff. I will use them in some other form. When you choose your images, try to include different aspects of your life like professional growth, personal growth, improving health, mastering a skill, traveling, etc. it would be a great idea to customize or edit some images like this one, which is 100% apt with your vision. Once you have placed all your images based on your layout, start sticking them. I am using double-sided tape. You can even use glue. As you stick the images, you still have the chance to rearrange or trim the images. I have finished sticking all my images on my vision board and I am quite happy with its outcome. The last important question is, where should I display my vision board? I am going to display my vision board on the bedroom wall, which is opposite to my bed, using the double-sided tape. This is because I want to see my vision board every day. I want to look at it before I go to bed and when I wake up from my bed. These were the images with written stuff that I had kept aside. I am going to stick them near to my vision board. I love these tips, quotes, mantras and reminders, which I can also glance at when I look at my vision board. My vision board is ready for this year.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If this video helped you make your vision board, then please do like, share and subscribe. I'll meet you with some more other interesting videos. Until then, Vidya, signing off. Bye-bye. Happy New Year in advance.